How does ecological succession lead to a climax community? Imagine a barren patch of land where nothing seems to grow. Over time, tiny plants start to appear, and gradually, a complex, stable ecosystem forms. This process is called ecological succession, and it shapes the world around us. It begins with a disturbance that clears the area, like a volcanic eruption or a flood, leaving behind a bare surface. This is the first step, called nudation, where no life exists yet. Soon after, hardy pioneer species arrive. These are bacteria, fungi, and tough plants like mosses and grasses that can survive in harsh conditions. They start breaking down rocks and adding organic material to the soil, making it richer. As the soil improves, more plants and small animals move in, competing for space and resources. This stage is known as invasion, where different species arrive and begin to establish themselves. As more species join, they start interacting and competing for sunlight, water, and nutrients. This is called competition and coaction. Some plants grow taller to get more sunlight, while others adapt to different soil conditions. These interactions shape the developing community, favoring species best suited to the environment. During this time, the environment itself changes. For example, plants may enrich the soil with organic matter, or roots might alter moisture levels. This stage is called reaction, where organisms modify their surroundings, making it easier for new species to settle in. Over many years, the community becomes more diverse and stable. The species that dominate are those best adapted to the local climate and conditions. This mature stage is called stabilization, and it leads to what is known as a climax community. A climax community is a balanced, self-sustaining ecosystem that can last for many years. It might be a forest, a grassland, or even a coral reef, depending on the region. Throughout succession, the total biomass and species diversity tend to increase. The ecosystem reaches a point where energy flow and nutrient cycling are balanced. This stable state can persist unless a major disturbance occurs, like a wildfire or human activity. Understanding how succession works helps us see how ecosystems recover after damage and develop into complex, thriving communities. It also shows us the importance of protecting different stages of succession to keep ecosystems healthy and diverse. In the end, ecological succession leads to a climax community by a series of steps where species gradually replace each other and modify their environment. This process transforms a lifeless patch into a mature, balanced ecosystem that fits its surroundings perfectly.